Welcome to Best Product Lead.
Top 5 Heavy-Duty 20-inch planers for Woodworking Shops 2026. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 heavy-duty 20-inch planers for Woodworking Shops 2026. Whether you're tackling large boards or aiming for a flawless finish, these powerful planers are built to handle serious workshop demands.
Top 1.
Jet Black 20-inch thickness planer. The Jet Black 20-inch thickness planer brings precision and efficiency to woodworking tasks, making large-scale projects smoother and faster. Designed for heavy-duty use, it allows boards to reach uniform thickness with minimal effort. Woodworkers often face uneven surfaces and rough textures, but this planer ensures consistent results across wide planks. Its strong construction supports continuous operation, making it suitable for busy shops and professional workshops. Using this tool helps maintain a clean workspace since it reduces the need for extra sanding or manual leveling. Handling thick timber becomes easier, allowing users to focus on shaping and finishing rather than correcting errors. Even challenging hardwoods can be processed efficiently, giving a polished appearance every time.
Top 2.
Powermatic 20-inch planner, Helical Cutterhead.
Woodworking projects often demand tools that deliver precision and efficiency. The Powermatic 20-inch planer with a helical cutter head is designed to tackle demanding tasks with ease. Handling large boards becomes manageable, allowing woodworkers to achieve smooth surfaces consistently. This planer can transform rough lumber into perfectly flat and uniform pieces, making it ideal for both small and professional shops. Durability and reliability are crucial when working with heavy materials. This model offers a sturdy build that supports extended use, ensuring performance over time. Its design focuses on stability, reducing vibrations, and improving accuracy during operation. Woodworkers can expect consistent results without frequent adjustments, making each project more predictable and controlled.
Top 3.
Jet 20-inch thickness planer for woodworking. Working with large wood pieces can be challenging without the right equipment. The Jet 20-inch thickness planer provides a reliable solution for shaping boards accurately and efficiently. Woodworking enthusiasts often face uneven surfaces, rough edges, and time-consuming sanding, but using this planer allows smoother operations and consistent results. It is suitable for both small workshops and larger setups where precision matters. Handling wide planks becomes easier, reducing frustration and effort while improving overall productivity. This planer helps maintain uniform thickness across various wood types, making it an essential addition for anyone serious about craftsmanship. Adjusting the cutting depth and speed ensures better control during operation, while sturdy construction enhances durability for long-term use. Woodworkers can process multiple boards consecutively without compromising quality, which is crucial for professional projects or home-based woodworking.
Top 4.
Grizzly Industrial G0899-10-inch hybrid table saw. The Grizzly Industrial G0899-10-inch hybrid table saw is designed for workshop enthusiasts who need precise and reliable cutting solutions. Woodworkers can experience smooth and consistent performance while managing various projects efficiently. Its construction allows stable operation, reducing vibrations and ensuring accurate results every time. Users will find the workflow enhanced as handling different types of wood becomes less challenging. The machine's layout supports straightforward adjustments, making it easier to maintain control over cuts and angles. This table saw fits well in professional and home setups, providing versatility for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Handling large boards and long materials is simpler due to its smart design and stable support. The operational system ensures safety while maintaining efficiency, giving users confidence during extended use. Shop owners or hobbyists looking for a dependable tool will find its capacity helpful for repetitive cutting tasks.
Top 5.
Shop Fox W 1860 215-inch 3 HP planer. The Shop Fox W 1860 215-inch 3 HP planer delivers impressive performance for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Handling large boards becomes simpler, making complex projects easier to manage. Its powerful motor ensures smooth operation while maintaining consistent results across various types of wood. Accuracy in every cut helps achieve a polished surface without the need for repeated adjustments. Efficiency in the workshop improves significantly with this planer, as it reduces the time spent on manual sanding or leveling uneven boards. Even thicker lumber can be processed quickly, saving both effort and resources. The machine's stability allows for precise handling, giving confidence during extended working sessions. Its design supports consistent feed rates, minimizing mistakes and ensuring uniform thickness on all pieces.
Best price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.